If you want to use Link to Windows in order to connect your OPPO Find X9 Pro to your Windows computer, then in that case we need to open Settings. Then we're going to choose Device Connect, and you want to choose PC option in here. Now in order to be able to continue, we need to agree to scan nearby devices and also receive notifications, and then press agree and continue. Over here we need to also agree to these options. You don't really have to agree to location, so we can choose to not allow. The rest of the things can be allowed if you want to. Actually, we have to enable location permissions, so we can just go to settings and let's go to permissions. And then we should be able to find location, and let's choose allow only while using the app. Alright, so after that, once we go back in here, we need to grant some other permissions as well. We need to scroll down in here to select everything. Alright, now it should be done. We don't have to sign in. But in here we should be able to find a link to Windows by tapping on these three dots in the upper right corner. And then we have connect to Windows. And this is how we can find link to Windows on OPPO Find X9 Pro. Of course, now we can connect with our computer. So you can either sign into your Microsoft account that you use on your computer, or you can use a QR code scanner over here. And in order to get the QR code, we need to open the Phone Link app on your computer. You should be able to have this app pre-installed, and then of course you want to choose Android, and then you will generate the QR code so you can just scan it in order to continue. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.